Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use green screen video in TikTok. First of all, and of course, you'll need the TikTok application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android. If you have an iPhone, just go download it through App Store. Then, all you need to do just go and create your account on it. Let's say, for example, you already have an account. All you need to do just go and log in. So let's get straight to it. Open TikTok, and in TikTok there is this option of using green screen video, but many people don't know this option is existing in TikTok. So if we want to use this option, all we need to do first is just click on the plus icon here down there. Then all I need to do, just click on effects. Then as you can see, we have here trending, where we are going to find this green screen video. Just go and scroll from the right or from the left to the right. Keep scrolling a bit until you find this green screen. Click on it and go look for the effect that you want. Let's say, for example, I'm just gonna use a random one. So wait, let me search for something. Yes, let's just use this one as, for example, we want to do this. As you can see, the green screen got changed, and if you record anything with this camera, it will show that is your background. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.